How to download and add Grammarly extension on your Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google and search for Chrome Store. Now as you can see, search for it and click on Chrome Web Store, and now go to the search bar here in the top and search for Grammarly like this. Now here's the Grammarly. As you can see, click on it and it have more than 10 million users, which means it's actually very good to use and it's so helpful. So all what you have to do is click on add to Chrome and click on add extension like this, and it's gonna be there on your browser. It's actually very easy to use. All what you have to do is select the text that you want like this, like this, and then it will help you to do the right one. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.